Hi there, SharePoint enthusiasts! Today I want to show you how to configure SharePoint Home with the global navigation. A SharePoint Home site provides a customized landing experience that reflects the organization's brand, voice, and priorities. A SharePoint Home site also serves as the gateway to other portals in your organization's intranet. Let's begin by opening PowerShell. Next, let's authenticate using SharePoint Online Management Shell. If you're not familiar with it, check out the introduction video. You can find the link in the description below. Now, let's run the set spo home site command to make a communication site a new home site. Next, let's configure the global navigation. Open the home site and click on the global navigation setting. Enable global navigation and upload a transparent square logo. You can access the global navigation from any SharePoint site by clicking on the logo here.
Pretty nifty, huh?